Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to check out vibe coding with Gemini, go from idea to app with Gemini. So go over to aistudio.google.com vibe coding, and this is the interface that you should land on. So in this main application here, this first page here, this is where we're going to vibe code. So that means basically you just describe the app that you want, just like when you chat with Gemini or ChatGPT. Instead of the AI giving back to you text, well, it's going to actually build your app. And this vibe coding interface here is running on Gemini 3 Pro Preview, which is Gemini's best coding model. Okay, so there's different options here, whether you write your idea here, or I really like this option as well. I'm feeling lucky. So when we click on that, you'll see that it's going to generate some different app ideas for you, right? Build a comprehensive brand identity generator. If you click on that again, so each time you click, it's going to generate some example projects for you, just to, give us some ideas. Is that crazy or what? You can add your files. Obviously, you can have speech to text there. I'm going to build my very own small business agent app to help me manage my business. Okay, so this is something that I've always wanted to create, and now I'm going to create it myself. And this is all based on, or your application will be AI powered. Okay, so this is my app. Generate an app that will help me manage my small business. The business is based in Papua New Guinea. I need the app to read up all the necessary information about taxes and all the regulatory information I need to know in order to successfully run my business in PNG. Okay, I want to also upload my revenue, expenses, and budget analysis of my financial status. Okay, so let's start with that. So my very own AI powered small business AI agent. Okay, so let's just click on build and let's see how fast this thing will go. Build, and it's starting, guys. On the left hand side, it's going to start building our app for us. Okay, so while it's doing its thing, if you're technical, I just bring your attention to the fact that you can also save it to GitHub. Okay, and right here, you can also deploy your app to whichever platform, whether it be on Google or some other platform, but you can also deploy it there. You can share your app with others as well to get feedback. You can download the app and then you can work on it locally or externally from Google AI Studio. I mean, guys, this is so crazy. I am so excited about this feature. Now I'm able to develop whatever small app that I want. So that actually makes prototyping really fast. You see, it's giving me some card ideas down here. Connect your app to real-time Google Maps data. Build an agent that can pull information about places and directions. Let me see the different things here. No. Okay, so it's still working on the app. Okay, let's click on the code editor view here. Of course, it's working on its thing. If you want to have a look at the prompt that's sort of guiding this AI agent, it can be found under the Gemini server prompt file here. Sorry. Okay, so this is the main system prompt for this agent, for my AI app to do what it's supposed to do. Okay, guys, and the app is done. Let's check it out. AI Google Studio is launching the app. Financial dashboard. Okay. PNG SME Enterprise Manager. Okay, cool. Regulatory hub. What is this? Some sort of chat interface for me to ask it some questions. I'm your PNG Business Compliance Assistant. Ask me about taxes, IRC. Okay, let me test this thing out. Okay, let me test this one. What type of text do small businesses have to pay? Let's see. Normally, it's going to use Google API to go out and search for the information. This is all AI powered, and it just built it in under what, a few minutes, like 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, it's giving me a list of everything I need to know. Small business. Here, the main types of taxes small business may encounter. We've got the SBT, the GSTs, the salary wage, and then it's giving us all the sources. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Okay, let me say I need to upload my, okay, this is the overview. Then I have the transactions. I can, in the income here, I can add a record. Okay, so this is my income. Let's say salary. Let's say 1,000. Sales, add a record. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Expenses. Okay, let's say rent, 200. Rent, add a record. Amazing. Okay, analysis. AI financial consultant. Generate a comprehensive report on your business health. Let's generate the report and see what it can give us. Guys, is this cool or what? My very own AI app in under 5 minutes. I mean, it didn't take that long. I am so excited. This is crazy. Financial check. This report provides an analysis. Financial health gives me the total potential tax liabilities. It looks into my budget for the test data that was there. Guys, this is amazing. I'm so excited. I am so excited about this application. I just tested it out. I've been testing out anti-gravity as I put up in my last video, and I just tested Google AI Studio and how you can vibe code. So this is the code, of course, and this is the app. Guys, for those who don't know how to code, this is the solution for you. You can vibe code your own AI app in under 5 minutes. Now, is that amazing or what? If you want to have some ideas, you can click on Gallery, which is going to show you some of the example apps that's already been built. And if you want to sort of modify those existing apps, you can definitely do that. So you click the app that you want to modify. Okay, you select your app. Come on, it's going to take a while. So you can select your app and you can ask it to change some of the features, like for example, I don't know, auto save or refine, and then it's going to modify the app and then you can save it as your own. So you can either build your own app here, or you vibe code your own app here by putting in your prompt, or you go over to Gallery and you see the example apps that are there and you modify it and save it as your own. Because I've done that for one of the apps there, that was the Power BI SVG creator. Okay, so this is what I sort of created it from an existing app that was there. So now it's under the list of my applications. So in addition to that, I've got my own SME Navigator app. Okay, we can put that in the different modes here. This one is the tablet mode. We can change it to mobile, or we can put it to the current size. Guys, an AI app in under 5 minutes. This is amazing. I'm so excited, guys. Go and check it out. AI Studio, and vibe code your own app today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.